There are so many strategies. There are so many option trading setups also. But can there be a strategy which we can use every time in the market? And if I use it for multiple times, let us say I'm using it for 20 months, 30 months, most of the times it is giving me some returns whether market is bearish or bullish. A, and the strategy do not have a big loss also. Is it easy to find such a strategy? Not so easy, but yes, today I'm going to show you a strategy that okay, this can be uniformly applied in many market conditions, but obviously there is nothing like risk free. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. Here we talk about safe hedged option trading strategies and best possible adjustments. You can join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. We give you a free market report every morning. Okay, let us now go to 1st January, start of the year, because I am talking about is a long term strategy which can be done almost every month. So what I will do here, it's a monthly strategy. What I will do, I will just go below some points, like market is at 26,188. Let us say I go to 26,000 and I will buy one put. Now I will go just 200 points below that and I will sell one put. This is a very normal strategy which is known as bear put spread, where I have purchased one put and I am selling one put. Very good strategy in case market falls. But what to do in case market goes up? Now here you can see the maximum loss is 2863. Estimated margin is only 43,000 rupees, and maximum profit can be 10,000 rupees. This is a good strategy. VIX seems to be low at this stage, because that is why we are able to make this kind of a strategy with this kind of a risk reward, which is 1:3.6. But now my problem is, what in case market goes up? In case market goes up, you need to really chase the markets and do lot of adjustments. We do not want that. We want that okay, even if I am a working professional, I should be able to apply this framework in most of the markets. I see that okay, maximum loss is 2800 rupees. So what I will do while creating the strategy, I will try to extract, if not complete 2800 rupees, but at least 1400 1500 rupees from the market without taking it. So what I will do, I will go to 25,300 put and I will sell it. Now if you see, this is the trade wherein I have a bear put spread and I have sold extra put also. This is not ratio spread. You need to tell me what is this strategy. Now if market goes up, I am going to lose 1127 rupees, which is manageable. I can definitely do something to cover that money. If market goes down beyond this break even point, which is 25,117, I can have unlimited loss. If market is above 25,117, I will have profit. But now you can say that this is a very dangerous strategy. If market goes down, it will be really difficult. If there is a big gap down in the market, how we will manage? So if you're really afraid of very big gap downs, then definitely you can buy a put, which can be a weekly put, which can be just below whatever is my break even point. Now my break even point here is 25,100, so maybe I can buy one put of 25,200 also, which is at 2.9 rupees. In this case, even if there is a big gap down, I'm not going to lose anything, but I'm not going to keep this trade, because otherwise the whole payoff diagram goes for a toss, right? So this is the trade, basic trade. To protect it from any kind of a big gap down, you should definitely buy one weekly put. Now let us run the trade and let's see how this trade pans out. Now there are two possibilities. Market goes down slightly, definitely it will not be bad for the trade. Market goes up, then also it is not bad for the trade, because whatever is the loss, which is maximum loss on the upside, is around 1124 rupees. That will happen only on expiry. Before that, we will get ample opportunity to adjust that. For better reach and visibility, I'll request all of you to please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks in advance. Right now, this trade as of now is taking 1.67 lakh rupees. Let us say I have 5 lakh rupees. I will do, let's say, 3 lots of this. Right now, I will show you what kind of adjustments are possible in this trade, and this trade can be tried not only for 1 month. This trade can be tried for multiple months, and then we can see that okay, what is the outcome of this trade. If out of, let us say, 10 trades, 8 to 9 trades are giving me profitable results, 1 or 2 trades are not taking away any money, then this can be my go-to strategy. This can be a great strategy even if you're a working professional. Let me now do the back testing of this trade. First day, okay, market has slightly gone up. I'm not losing anything. I am not making much profit also, which is okay. One thing I would like you to focus is, please focus on the blue line. If market goes up, that blue line is my savior. In case market is going up, it can still give me some profit and I can get out of the trade also, right? Next day, again, nothing much has happened. Market has gone up, no big loss, no big profit. Let's see. Now, if you see, market has slightly gone down and the blue line is showing me a little bit of profit in spite of market at higher levels. And as of now, the trade is giving me some 700 rupees, which is a very small profit. Let's move next day also. I'm not doing any adjustments. I'm not observing the markets every 5 minutes, every 30 minutes, because I know most of us are working professionals and we do require some trades which are manageable even without sitting in front of the screen. Next day, see the blue line now. Market has not entered my green area, but the blue line is giving me a lot of courage to sit in the trade, or even the blue line is causing good profit for me. As of now, we are just in early days of the expiry. That is the strength of this strategy. Next day, let us see. See the blue line now and see the profit. Almost 0.9% profit is there. Although the actual play of the strategy has not come into force, it will come into force only when markets start moving below 2600, because we have a 2600 put, right? So as of now, market is still above 2600, but see the magic, it is still giving me some profit. Next day, now the market has really fallen down. Two things very important in this kind of a strategy. If market is really crossing this level, which is around 25,300, where my second put is sold, then I should be very, very careful. I should definitely get out of the trade. Second thing, whenever I am getting a desired profit, which can be 1.5% or 2%, I should definitely get out of the trade. Even if it is showing my maximum profit is 35,000 rupees, I am not interested in 35,000 rupees, right? Maximum profit only those people chase who are very new to the market. Markets will also try to always entice new traders that, okay, see, you can make so much of profit, but that kind of profit is not practical and that is not repeatable. So what is repeatable every month is something like 1.5 to 2%. 6-7% profit is very difficult. Once in a while you can get that, but if you are chasing that kind of a return, it will take away 6-7% of your capital and give you heavy losses. Let's see now. As of now, I am not feeling like doing any adjustment in this trade. I am making my 1%, and which is not bad. I can always quit the trade here also. Let's see what happens to the market. Okay, now we are seeing a very big fall. Definitely, this is a stage where I should be slightly extra cautious what to do. I can still stay in the trade because my break-even point is 25,117. Obviously, in case I have purchased some put, that would be giving me some profit now, because we are seeing a big fall in the trade. As of now, I'm still waiting for 25,300 to happen. If that happens, definitely we will do the adjustment. Next day, again it has gone up and I am making good 6,400 rupees in the trade. Next day, now the market has started leaving the premium. Now I'm making almost 1.5% return. This is a very crucial junction for me. At this point, I can decide whether I can quit the trade or whether I can continue the trade. Let's see next. 11,000 rupees, right? You're making decent 11,000 rupees. This is the point where I should definitely would like to close the trade and book my profit, because anything I am going to do now can create problems for me. Let us see a few more days if we can survive the trade. Okay, now we are getting 14,000 rupees. I don't think there is any need to continue in this trade now, because if market goes down from here, it can be really damaging for us. But if you analyze the profit, where is the profit coming from? So here 26,000 put is giving me 63.5k, whereas my sold put is taking away 41,000 rupees for me. So out of my 15,000 rupees profit, this pair has given me 22,000 rupees. But the extra put which I have sold, why I sold that put? To reduce the possible loss on the up move of the market, I had sold this put. Now this sold put is of no use to me. In fact, it is reducing my profit. If I square off this put, now this is the trade. Only problem in such a trade is that, okay, now if market goes up, again there can be a risk. So can I reduce my risk on the upside? Now the upside risk is around 15,000 rupees. So what I should do here, I will close this trade also, which is my bought put, which is 26,000. Once I reduce this, what I will do, I will buy 25,900, right? So the extra put which I had sold has done its job. What it has done, it has given me a protection that okay, in case market goes up, it will save me. But now market has not gone up. I never knew whether market will go up or go down. So what I have done, I have locked the trade now. This trade is locked. There cannot be any loss in this trade now. Yes, profit can reduce or profit can increase also, right? Profit can become around 90,000 rupees if market falls. If market goes up, then I am not going to make any decent profit, but I am not going to lose also. At this stage, we can close the trade also. We are making very good profit in this trade. In case market goes up now, I am going to make only 400, 500 rupees, and I will feel bad that there was a point that where I was making 14, 15,000 rupees, and now I am to be happy with only 400, 500 rupees. So I do not want to regret this position. I do not want to leave much profit on the table, but simultaneously I do not want to leave a chance that okay, I could have made more profit. So what I will do, again, a very standard thing I have shown you many times, I will square off two lots. If I square off two lots and continue with one lot, or maybe whatever is the position, I scare off 60 to 70% of the position. Now this is the scenario. This is the best case now. In case market goes, I can still make some extra profit in case market goes down. And in case market goes up, I do not regret my decision that okay, I have left all the profit on the table. Here I am leaving some profit on the table. Let us now very happily go to whatever is the expiry. We are least bothered about any kind of losses in this trade. So a very simple setup. You need to tell me what is the name of this setup. But if done properly, can be a very lethal tool to create wealth. Similarly, we have done workshop in 3 strategies where we have done very proper adjustments, where we have given a very right kind of a framework. So these strategies are iron condor, iron fly, and calendar spread. We have shown you 12 months of back testing also, so that you are very clear what to do if market goes up, what to do if market goes down, or what to do if market stays stable. If you wish to enroll for any of these workshops or all of these workshops, please contact the numbers given on the screen. In case you are looking for a very good broker with whom we are also trading, which is very transparent, which allows you to trade even in December options right in the beginning of the year, and it provides you a very good free simulator just like what I have shown you, and you can click the link in the description and enroll for that broker account also. Leaving you with another very interesting video. Hope you will like it. Please subscribe to the channel, share the channel with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.